Love's dwelling place cannot be seen at all. Yet no matter how far the distance may call, my loving heart and thoughts that softly cling will warmly wrap around you like spring. Darling, are our precious children doing fine? Oh, how deeply I miss them all the time. Darling, I miss you too often. Don't be discouraged now, I'm coming home. Oh, my beloved ones, my treasures so dear, your gentle laughter still rings in my ear. The playground memories linger inside. Though sorrow is heavy, stay healthy tonight. Darling, are our precious children doing fine? Oh, how deeply I miss them all the time. Darling, I miss you too often. Don't be discouraged now, I'm coming home. Little ones may still be calling my name while I wander here through hardship and pain. I long every day for the day we embrace, to be by my loved ones in their warm place. Children doing fine. Oh, how deeply I miss them all the time. Darling, I miss you too often. Don't be discouraged now, I'm coming home. Without our loved ones, how could years pass by? Would this lonely wandering leave me empty inside? Although we leave our homeland far away, I still believe we'll make it someday. Darling, are our precious children doing fine? Oh, how deeply I miss them all the time. Darling, I miss you too often. Don't be discouraged now, I'm coming home. Don't be discouraged now.